Do your friends complain that they can't hear you well while you're using your AirPods Pro? I first believed that the software updates were causing this, but I was wrong. All you have to do is find a small brush or use a toothbrush to rub the debris that accumulates in the headphone microphone grill. There are three grills on the outside of each bud. While you're there, you should also clean the speaker grill located under the rubber tip. You need to apply some pressure, but don't overdo it. Let's hear how the AirPods Pro sound before and after cleaning.
The swan dive was far short of perfect. The swan dive was far short of perfect. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. Two blue fish swam in the tank. Two blue fish swam in the tank.
I think it makes a big difference. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you as well.